today I'm going to show you my English portfolio. So this is my English portfolio. Here I have made it with two color papers, one blue and one white. I have taken a white paper and I have cut blue paper in a triangular shape and stick it here. I have done a design on it like this with an orange sketch pen. Here I have stick orange colored flowers with white beads in middle. Here on a blue paper I have wrote English portfolio and I have stick it here. And I have punched brown colored papers into circles and I have stick on cross like this. This is how I made my English portfolio. Now let's see what's inside. So the first page is introduction, name, class, division, roll number, subject, teacher and topic. On the second page there is index, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, interjection, conjunction and determiner. The first one is verb. Second one is conjunction. Third one is preposition. Here is the third page, noun, determiner, interjection, pronoun, adverb, and the last one is adjective. You can use this as an English project of parts of speech. Second, you can use it as a scrapbook of English parts of speech. You can also use it as a TLM by joining these two pages. You can make it as a parts of speech TLM. So this was my English project. If you loved my video, like it, share it and subscribe my channel for more new videos. Thanks for watching.